Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today I'm testing something new, the new way of interaction with you, with all my subscribers, and this is our first stream. So we will check how it will work. Just I will do some things with the sound. Give me one moment. Please mention how how it's. Can you hear me? Yeah. So everything's supposed to work in the proper way. Okay. So what's the idea of this kind of our today's stream? This is to discuss about MQL5 signals. So as you know, I'm a big fan of the MQL5 in general. I'm using it for myself. So everything working perfectly, for me. And also this is one of the most popular topic in my YouTube channel in general. So every time you are asking me, oh, okay, Alex, check for me some new signals from MQL5 website, maybe we'll find something new. So if I'm going, for example, this is my profile, I'm going to profile and we are going to the signals, my subscription. You can see that right now I subscribe to 3 signals. And if you will check the expiration date, it's finishing after 2 days just. So I already got the notification. You see that almost all the signals subscription will finish. That's why I decided why not. We can easily go to MQL5 to check all the signals there, and maybe we'll find something interesting that I will subscribe for myself. And also, as you know, I have lots of different customers that also in love with MQL5. Well, why MQL5 getting lots of interest from the people is very simple, because first of all, it's suitable for different kinds of the people. Because for example, if you don't have experience in trading, for you the easiest way is to invest in something, but if you want to invest in the forex trading of another people, how you can check? Just through the statement, or for example through the monitoring website. You need to see exactly what kind of performance and what kind of results they was producing at the past. I don't understand until right now, I don't understand how lots of the people trusting to some kind of signal websites or signal telegram channels where there is no proofs, because for example, if I want to create a website for myself, what I will do first of all, I will check designers and I will ask them, please send me your portfolio, so I at least will be able to see what kind of jobs or what kind of activities you did before. The same here. If we are talking about trading, the most important point, trader's portfolio, this is his performance on his live account, and it doesn't matter what kind of amount you have on your own account, because for example, MQL5, as I was telling you, it's suitable for the people that just want to invest. And at the same time, I think MQL5 is way better for the people who don't have enough capital, but they want to generate proper amount of profit, proper money, and they can easily post their own performance, start trading on the MQL5, and even by earning the small kind of subscription price, in the end they can generate lots of money. Just I will show you one example. If we are talking about this topic, why it's good for the normal traders, check this guy. Yes, this guy, Euro Compounder. So we will talk about this guy, so we'll check how he's trading, because I was also subscribed to him. But just simple example about him, his balance is just $300 and he has already 13 subscribers there, and total amount that subscribed to this account are around 122,000. So he's getting more money from subscribers in comparison what kind of profit he's generating on his personal account in the IC market. And this is just one example. If we're going, for example, for no pain MT5, the same story, his balance is just $1,000. If we are checking his average profit, if we will take this year, it's around 2.5 maybe %. So for example, if he has just $1,000 This is just, I'm trying to explain for the people that are thinking that it's impossible to make money if you have just a small balance. No, it's totally different. You know, you can easily generate money even from the small balance. For example, this guy, his balance just $1,000. And he's generating in average in 2025, he's generating maybe 2.5, 2.7%. So if you calculate how much this 2.7% from this 1,100, it's around like $30. Of course, it's not enough, you know, to survive. But if I will check that he has 82 subscribers, imagine 82, and he's charging around like $30, so his monthly profit it's like around $3,000, you know, so why not? He's getting, this is the clear example how come you have just on your balance like $1,000 and you can easily make like 300%, so some part of the profit, but he proved it, yeah? So he has like really nice consistent profit starting from 2021, and as you can see, he's closing like every year in plus. And this kind of statement, this kind of history on the account give chance for this person that's from Brazil to generate monthly around $3,000, and I'm pretty sure that he's like getting lots of the interest from another people that like want just to invest in this kind of strategy, like not through the MQL5 but through another maybe people. So this is it. So this is number two. If like number one reason if you want to invest in the Forex trading, but you want to find someone that real proven, that prove his results on the statistic, you know. And number two, for example, if you're a trader but you don't have a huge balance, you can easily find, and if you are able to prove your results, you can easily find some kind of investments and you can increase your income. And also for the people like me, like for example, why I'm doing all these things, because I'm trying to diversify my portfolio, diversify my risk. Plus, at the same time, I'm searching for some interesting ideas for myself, you know, because I'm experienced, so I'm opening the statistic of the trades in MetaTrader. I'm looking in every trade. I'm trying to understand like what they are doing like differently in comparison with me, you know, and why they are able to generate like really nice statement. This is it. And plus why I like MQL5, because it's independent website. So it's coming from the proven source. It's MQL5. So as if you don't know MQL5, this is the guys that created the MetaTrader by themselves. So like this is number one. This is like the most proven source of getting information from whole Forex industry. Because before, you know, and I was talking with some of my videos about PAM accounts, this is like internal thing of every Forex broker company. Like for example, I'm from the area that for a long period of time, Alpari was very popular regarding their PAM services. But if I'll go, I don't know, rating, if I'll go even to their own like rating right now, PAM accounts not found. I think they changed something, because I remember like long time ago it was very funny, because they was showing so high percentages of the profit you cannot even imagine. Notification blocked. I love this website. Let us check one more time. Maybe they will show us something interesting. Alpari. So PAM, this is like a super internal things, and lots of the brokers like playing with the numbers. And Alpari, by the way, they had Alpari.pro. This is something different. Alpari has a lot of the problems with his PAM. Let's go one more. This is PAM. Okay, let's check English. A lot more. I want to see the ratings. I don't know if like everything is open right now, but before it was really nice. Start investing now. I think it will open for me some page for the registration, correct? Yeah, it's just like a registration. So I'm not sure that I will be able to see for you their statistics. Yeah, so they make it like it's separate. But before they was playing a lot. Also another broker that I hear that they're playing, not on the I don't remember the name. For example, Palm. Let's check in the YouTube. Palm equity. They don't have Palm. Brokerage solution. FX Pro. I don't remember for it now who's playing with the Palm, but this was the company that very popular in the India. Okay, so this is topic for another day because I don't remember the names, but lots of examples I can find when we are opening some pump kind of services, and we can find there like thousands of percentage of the profit almost every month. But when the things it's coming to the real trading, it will be like totally different and totally different results. In that case, I really think that MQL5 is the best because this is the proven one, and plus it's not connected to one forex broker company. So there we are able to find brokers from different kind of sources, from different nationalities, from different countries, from different brokers, and that's why I think that from a personal opinion, so this is the best. So let's start checking the signals. I'm going to the signals, and MQL5 offering for us their own criteria how we can filter all the signals. So we can check them. Let's check them first of all by list. And as you can see right now in one page it almost 48 48 signals and 43 pages. So if we'll take like 48 multiply 43, we have around 2000, more than 2000 signals for MetaTrader 5. So they have a two section for MetaTrader 5 and for MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 still a bit bigger. So if we'll check there, let's go 48 multiply 65 pages. So we have 3000 signals. So more than 2000 signals for MetaTrader 5 and more than 3000 signals for MetaTrader 4. But nowadays I really start thinking that like MetaTrader 5 is better, it's more powerful, and we can find like better trading solution in MetaTrader 5. So that's why I want to talk exactly today about MetaTrader 5. So if we are talking about the rating that offering for us MQL5 website, so we can filter the signal by maximum profit, by reliability, by profitable within a month, having like ratings, using robots for under 50, you know, but in general they have their own rating. Let's filter them by themselves. They offering for us their own style, how they are putting signals in the top, which is I'm not agree with. I think that this rating they are not so strong, and that's why, and plus it's almost impossible to check every signal in manual way. So that's why I was telling you about that. We are creating for ourselves some kind of parsing Excel file. How it's working, we are going to MQL5 website and we are taking from this website all information and putting them exactly in the Excel file, and by doing that it's make my life like super easy to filter them. So what we'll do like right now, we will filter this Excel file. This is the fresh Excel file. As you can see the date, it was starting from the beginning of the July. So I will try to filter them by themselves and by myself, and we'll start checking signals. By the way, if you have some kind of signal or the question, you can easily send the message in the chat. I'm checking it and I can answer for you, and I'll try to do my best, you know, to assist you with everything. So let's do our filtration. So for my personal opinion, if we're going to the broker, it doesn't matter what kind of broker company, but still sometimes what I found that some of the like small brokers, like no-name brokers, they are cheating with the numbers, you know. So we will avoid them, but for right now we will not touch the signal. And plus I put in the first column, you see MQL5 rating. So here we will be able to see in what kind of signal, in what kind of place the signal right now based on MQL5 rating. And I will show you that we'll find lots of the bad signals, lots of the top signals from by MQL5 rating will be not in our top, and by the way we'll find a lot of the good signals performing in the proper way and guys trading in plus, and they will be like outside of 200. That's why, you know, as I'm a big fan of MQL5, I'm checking every time. Already found it many times. So The first point we are going to filtrate, this is the price. And if you will check here, there is some of the guys, they are putting like weird prices, $1,000, $300, $500. At the same time, they are not generating this kind of money at all. So for example, if we will take like this guy, this one is very, very fun. Listen, this guy, he's asking for $500. If I will go right now to open this guy, you will see he's zero, because he's like profit for right now. His profit is just $18, but he's so confident of asking this much money. You see, so he made just how much? He's like 20%. He made just 20%. His balance starting deposit was initial deposit was $96, but he is expecting that he's so professional trader and he can ask like $500 for subscription. For my personal opinion, this is like very, very weird. Let's check someone else. This guy, oh look, this guy from Forex, he's asking for $5,000 and his profit right now, so he made just $5, which is like crazy. Anyway, let us open him and to see exactly what kind of equity look like. Okay, so he was trading just 2 months. He starts streaming not for a long time. Trades per week just 1. Initial deposit $7. So that's why, you know, we will not look in the signals at all. So what I will do, first of all, I will just this kind of price supposed to be less than, for example, $60. I don't want to pay per month to someone more than $60. Algo trading percentage. So if the like signal provider has some kind of bots, it would appear there. So he will use in some percentages. You know, some of them it's 99%, some of them it's 100. 0, it means the guy trading 100% manually. You know, but for right now we will not touch it. Maybe from my own experience, I'm using just guys that 100% have the algo trading, or at least like more than 70% they having like algo trading. But let us give a chance to someone that using hands for their personal trading. Okay, weeks and stream weeks. So this is like very tricky point, but what I'm doing in general, what does mean weeks? How long he's already posting his own signal. So as I show you this guy, there is no point even to look in this guy. He's just streaming for 2 months. It's very hard to trust someone that's showing for us just backtest for only 2 months. So here what I'm doing, weeks supposed to be at least greater than 30 weeks. It's almost 1 year. You know, so we start from the 3000 signals. Right now we have just 542. You see, slowly we are decreasing our numbers of the signals. Stream weeks, as I showed you like long time ago. So we have in the equity, you see we have 2 lines. One of them it's light blue, one of them it's dark blue. So light blue showing for us that he was trading before he starts streaming publicly. You know, for me the most important to see exactly how he's working publicly, you know, because there we'll be able to see more details about his risk, about what kind of instrument he's using, and many things. But sometimes we can also find the good signals without it. So for example, let's do greater than 15. So let's give him like a few months to stream. Okay, if we are talking trades per week, you know, my opinion is a bit different, because when we're paying money for the signals, we want to get the signals. So I want to see at least some kind of activity. So let's put greater than 5. My personal like opinion is supposed to be greater than 10, but let's like slowly we'll find the things what we are talking about. Regarding profits, remember I was showing you this lady, her profit for right now it's $7. There is no point even to look on this kind of signals. So let's put the profit for all period of time. This guy's supposed to make at least more than $300. Yes. Then drawdown balance we have in dollars. So there is 2 types of the drawdown by balance and drawdown by equity. Let me show you this one in the quick way. Who's subscribing to my channel for a long period of time, he will understand everything, how it's working. So for example, we have a balance and we have in our account like $100, and we decide, sorry, not percentage, $100. and we decide, so we have our, for example, this is our equity, and we open position, you know, this position, what happened with this position? So during, when we holding, for example, we open buy, okay, and the price, it went down, and during this period of time, we were in minus like $30. So we was in the minus of $30, but then price, it went back, you know, and we close it, for example, minus $2, minus $2. So the maximum drawdown by balance was $2 because we closed it position, and we fix, for example, in our balance right now, $98. In comparison with $100 deposit, we had like drawdown of just 2%. But by equity, you know, we have $30. So it means we were in the drawdown of 30%. That's why, you know, I was explaining to you how to identify the guys who's using martingale, you know, and the average, they are not closing positions. So they are opening position, they're holding for a long time, and drawdowns is really big. So that's why like first of all, when we are going to draw down by balance and by equity, what I'm doing, I don't like to check the signals if they make me loss like more than $10,000, for example. Even better to put it 5, but still, let's do this like that. It's supposed to be less than, let's keep it $10,000 for right now by balance, and if we're going draw down by equity, also it's supposed to be less than I put how much? $10,000. Less than $10,000. No. Less than 10,000, like this. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, what we have here, it's supposed to be less than $10,000. Okay, clear. Then also very interesting point, this is the difference between the drawdown. So as you can see in some of the signals, so we have like percentages, you know, and in some of the signals there is huge difference. You see, by drawdown by balancing by equity, no, just let me show you some kind of yes, this one it's very nice signal to show you. You see, so this guy by balance, he had the drawdown just 7%. Let us open him. So let me go to open this guy. So this is, by the way, from the same like person. Look at this guy. So in general, equity is nice, correct? So he's generating profit. So the balance, we have $2,800. We can see exactly that almost all months from 2021 he closed in plus. But why? I will never recommend for you the signal, because as you can see, there is a big difference in the drawdown. So in some of the points, his balance was $3,533 and the equity was $1,700. It means that he was holding like huge minus in this period of time, and it was like more than $1,700. Imagine, he was in minus more than $1,700. So this type of the trading strategy, you know, it's giving us chance. We are into the risk to lose, like for example, 100% of our deposit, and to make just 2% of the profit. And this is exactly like, this is not acceptable, you know, so we cannot do like this. So what we'll do, we are not, if we're checking this guy, 7%, and it was 59. So this difference between the drawdowns, you saw, because by balance he has 7%, by drawdown was almost 60%. It's totally different, you know. If someone will show you statistic that I had just 7% of the drawdown, it looks nice. But if you will show, but by equity you was holding position almost 60%, so you almost kill your deposit, you know, this is like very weird. So in the drawdown difference, I will not choose the signals if the difference between them more than 15%. So it's supposed to be less than 15%. Yes, done. Drawdown difference, sorry, I didn't put less than 15. Boom. And if you remember, we had more than 2000 signals. Right now we have just 132. Imagine. So by doing this simple filtration, we already reduced the signals that later on we start checking one by a huge number. Okay, let's move forward. With the drawdown we finished. Drawdown, then recovery factor. So I was telling you like several times, what does it mean recovery factor? This is like total net profit divide maximum risk, what was through this period of time, and it's showing us ratio. Why it's calling like recovery factor but not like ratio between the profit and the maximum drawdown? Because the higher drawdown, it means the fastest the EA or the trader can recover from his loss based on his previous result. So by books, they are saying that recovery factor is supposed to be every time greater than 2. You know, for me, look. So we right now just do these simple things, and we have already from 130, it's just 57. You know, my personal opinion, even to be honest more, but let it be like that. We'll finish, then we will start checking. Okay, profit months, this is percentage. So for example, if the guy is trading for 12 months, how many months from all this 12 we want to close him in plus? You know, of course it's difficult to take like 100. Of course we want to get money, like a profit, or even every day. But for example, I want to put here just greater than, for example, 60%. So 60%, he will close in plus. Yes, deal. So how many signals we have already? 49. Yes, average percent monthly profit. This is a bit specific point. I don't know how to choose them in the proper way, because for example, I put like 2 criterias, you know. You see balance of 1%. Like for example, this guy making 6.5 percentages in average, but in comparison to his balance, 1% is just $6, which is nothing. This guy making 0.54 percentages monthly, but his 1%, like on 1% just at $151. So these things are like, and this guy, look, he's making average 45%. Weird. Let me just check, but 1% just $2. Let us check what kind of signal that making 45% monthly. For me, it's even weird what he's doing. He's already lost. You see? So this parsing was in the beginning of the website. In the beginning, this is guys, by the way, clear example why I'm not recommending this martingales. Let us check this trading history. We will check, by the way, how he's trading, because I just want to show you exactly why. I'm not recommending you to use any kind of martingales. Look, he was trading starting from November. You see, the December, like almost 9 months he was trading, and this month he lost like 100% of his capital, most probably because he was using averaging. And we will check this guy, and I will show you what was the reason that he's lost his capital. We can already put him done, red color. He already not suitable for us. Okay, so and reward to the risk. I don't remember why I was putting this kind of criteria, but let it be. Yes, and points pip per trade. This is like very, very important. Profit pips per trade. Some of the guys, they are trading, you know, so quickly, and the profit is so small that it will impact in copying the signal will be for us almost impossible in the proper way. Because still, listen, you need to understand that you have one Forex broker company. This guy has totally different locations, plus the copy trading services delay. So maybe even delay of 1 second, it will really make an impact. So what I found for myself, that it's supposed to be greater than 60 pips, only like 6 standard points. Only in that case it will be copying in the proper way. Okay, cool. So I think we already filter all the signal, and this is the time to start checking them one by one. So we have how much? We have 48 signals. Imagine, lots of them. But I think that we're supposed to start first of all from, let's do to recovery factor. greater than, and we'll put no, greater than, not 3, greater than 3, just to check in the beginning signals that was generating higher profit. Okay, and the first guy is the hydrogen investor. Listen, I was telling you like several times about this person, that I really think that he's like very nice trader, and he's like really trading nicely, and I was even trying to copy this guy. But what is the problem with this guy? That he's using some kind of software and he's trading on his own bot, because I was trying even to contact him. I was trying to arrange with him a call to create for you some kind of interview, what kind of strategy that he's using, you know, because all his signals, what he has, he's like really generating profit. But I was trying to like copy him. It's almost impossible, you know. This is it. So this guy, and then if you will go to check on the reviews, you know, mostly all reviews is bad. And I know like several guys was trying to also contact him and to start using his bot. He's telling them to open an account in my Forex broker company. But listen, this Forex broker just have a regulation, and this is not even a regulation, registered in St. Lucia, you know, so this is a bit dangerous. So I'm not recommending to do this kind of stuff. At least if we're dealing with the Forex broker company, you know, if you want, we can make for you full like separate video about the Forex brokers. But Forex broker company at least supposed to have at least one top tier like regulation. So it's supposed to be Australia, like Cyprus, or the FCA in UK. But for this kind of companies, I'm not recommending to trust and to open an account there. So okay, so this guy we can already put the red line because he's not suitable for us. Okay, another person, you see, so this guy, I filter them, everyone I filter right now based on the reward to the risk. I filter them by my own criteria. I will tell you like later on what kind of logic I'm putting there. So in the second place right now, the person through my rating, look at the top 5 places right now, the guys that in MQL5 113, 1427, 115 and 130 places, you know. So that's why I was saying that my personal rating and the MQL5 it's opposite, but not so clear. So let's start checking signal one by one. This is every time what I'm doing. So when I'm recording for you some video with the recommendation, everything is done from my side. A fixed smart bull. I never heard about this Forex broker company. We have just 2% of the drawdown. What is this? This is some kind of cent account. This is new type of the cent account, because 00319, 00318, 00538. What is this? I have never seen something like that. Again, because of this kind of volume, how you can copy it? If you are staying in the proper Forex broker company, it's impossible to copy this guy. So even I'm pretty sure, because how I'm checking the signals, I'm checking first of all like through my Excel file, then I'm going to check to the MQL5 website, I'm checking the trading history, I'm checking his statistic, what he's trading, you know, then I'm checking the risk, what kind of risk, from which instrument. But then another way, I'm going to the MetaTrader, for example, Dinopara, let us go, and we can do the visualization of his trades. And this is also very important, because some of the people messaging me with the questions, Alex, why like this guy is not trading on my own account? And I will explain you why. Because they have different mapping of the instruments. Like for example, I open for you right now a paper stone. You see gold. Gold, it's clear, XAU USD. When I'm going to this guy, he has like weird XAU USDX and the weird volume. But let us check at least if it will open for me positions or no. Let me check close all the windows, because I was checking some like new trading bots, so that's why there are a lot of the windows. And we will do, okay. So then what I'm clicking on the right corner search, and I'm putting the name of this guy, you see, and I'm searching for him. So Yeah, it's fun for us. Let me remove the, so you at least will be able to see. I'll put it like this. You see here, look. So in the signal section, so opening this guy, it will show me in this window, you see? And then what I can click on the visualize on the chart. So it will show me several trades, what kind of trades that he's doing on my own on the account. And you see, mostly what he's trading gold, and gold is not appearing. It means that if we will subscribe to his signal, we will not be able to copy gold. If here in this line of the instrument gold it did not appear, it means even if we'll start copying, we'll pay him subscription fee, we'll not be able to copy this guy. This is very important point to understand, and that's why we can already mark this guy that he is not acceptable for us, like this. And you see, so there is like Smart Bull Live, so I think all of them using the same style, so we can easily put all of them is right, because Fortuna Markets, this is the same guy, the same like an hydrogen investor, so I don't like all this stuff. Okay, let us go to another signal to check his performance. Again this Brazilian person, and I remember, yeah, he's trading indexes, he's trading their own indexes, and it means he also, we cannot use this guy. By the way, this person, he's trading for a long period of time in MQL5 website, and I was even recommending when this signal was performing in the proper way, I was recommending him, but also there were some issue in copying this guy. So when we are going to this guy, as because he's trading signals and it will be impossible to copy him, like only maybe in one way, if you will open account is in his like Forex broker company, then just you can subscribe. Let us check what happened with this person. You see Andy Kuhn, we are going here, again we are going to the search. No, I didn't copy. Okay, let's find out what happened with this guy, why he lost. Proven trading strategy, 10 years of the backtesting, actively trading since 2015. Start with just $100, no big investment in it. Target 1000%. As we can see, he didn't reach his target. Okay, let's try to visualize this guy. He lost what he was trading? He lost, I think, the Bitcoin. Yeah, he was trading some currencies, then he involved himself into the Bitcoin. When Bitcoin started growing, he was trying, I think, to do some averaging. Let's try to check how he killed his account. Sorry, can we see the Bitcoin? I think no. Yes, Bitcoin is here. This is how he killed his account. This is calling averaging. You see, this is just two trades, but you can see it clearly. So he didn't put the stop loss, and when the price started going opposite to his direction, he was selling, and that's why his account is zero. I see, and every time he was trying to sell, not closing, sell one more time. Typical averaging, nothing like special. Let me remove this grid to show you more clearly. This is the pound. Nothing special, to be honest, even no need to waste his time. So that's why I was telling you every time, try to aim and to put for yourself some realistic targets, you know, because this person, he was trying to reach like huge results in the trading, that's why he lost all his capital. Okay, this is clear. Let us close him and let's move forward to checking our signals. Okay, this guy, he's, by the way, he's in rating number 7 by MQL5 website. I think I was checking already this person and I saw, you see, so there was the difference between, let me find out the points. It was the difference between the balance and the drawdown. But what I will do right now, other two, and I will show you why I don't like this guy. He's trading gold, he's even multiplying gold. You see 002, 013. But let me show you real example on his personal trades. Listen, in general, it's up to you. So you can easily subscribe for these guys and you can test them by yourself by putting like the maximum risk. But I'm just telling you from my personal like experience and how many like those guys, they are not surviving to the end. This is what might happen with this guy. Look at the gold. Let's open a gold and let us check some of his trades and in the way how he's trading. Oh, I think it will be way better if we will change the time frame. I will open M15 right now, so we'll see more trades. You see, look, this, by the way, he's trading very actively. He's trading not bad. I want to show, you see, one particular example. Look, the price was not going into his direction and he opened one sell. The volume was, wait, I want to see exactly what was the volume. 003, you see? So he opened sell gold, 003. Then start price moving up. He opened one more time, 005. Then one more movement, 007. You see, so he was using multiplier 1.5, 0.1, and then 0.15. And imagine if the price will move a little bit more up and no deposit. This is how it's working with this kind of strategies. Listen, I cannot say that he was trading bad in many situations, but he's putting you into the big risk also here, you know. Imagine if the price will go down to cover that gap. This is it, and you are in big trouble. That's why what is his maximum drawdown for right now is just 25%. He had 13 subscribers, but personally I cannot recommend you the signal for the subscription, because as you can see already, he has the situations in the big drawdown and you never know what might happen. Okay, he has like a $4,000, but still, and you know how the gold is moving, so in some point it can destroy his account easily, you know. So that's why he's trading. And plus, you know, like, listen, if we will check just based on the statistic, he's not bad. He's streaming his signal almost for 1 year. He's doing 38 trades per week. So what kind of balance? Balance by equity, just $265. So everything is not bad, but his style of the trading, not something that I can really recommend you, because I understand exactly that how it will finish, but totally different style. This is about these two guys. They are also using averaging, by the way, but I was copying him for myself. This guy, it's no pain, you see. He had some one time a drawdown, but he was handling it in the proper way. And also I was subscribed to this person. I will show you. I'm still like subscribed to him. This is the first month when he got the drawdown, but he closed all the positions, you see. So he had the drawdown of 10%, but he closed them into the minus. It was happening before in the history. This one, look at the chart, the most like deepest one, the drawdown. You see, but he closed everything. So he closed everything by the stop loss and start trading again and start recovering its load. But what I don't like in this signal, to be honest, and why I decided to create this video and why I start searching for another signal, you see, this is the balance. Balance just $500. So his overall profit is just $700.50, and he's trading from 2023. So overall we have statistic for 2 years. And you know, like this is not something what we are looking for, especially in MQL5. So when I'm investing money in MQL5 website, what I want to have, I wanna, like, I'm risking already with my capital and I wanna take higher profit. This guy, it's okay, it's nice, you know, so he, even with this kind of minus, he still made like 36% in plus. And what I'm streaming for my personal account or restreaming to someone else, what I'm doing, I'm like increasing the trading volume. So there is no problem. It's possible to copy this guy. And as you can see, has like a 90 more guys than copying him. Like total amount that subscribe to this guy, it's around 500,000. So he's not bad, you know, but I cannot tell you that he's the best. Also with this kind of guy, he's not bad. Listen, from 2020, how can I say that this guy is bad? From 2021, he's generating profit almost every month. But come on, 19%, you know? So we have like July and just 19%. He's like consistent, everything is fine, you know. I will mark them because they are not bad, and I'm really subscribed to them, and I made the profit. So, and I'm by the way, I'm subscribed to 2 of them for around last 3 months. So I'm like, it's profit, but it's not something that I'm happy, you know. So this is the point. But still, we can mark them as a yellow, you know, and you can easily check them for yourself for the investments, or you can easily contact me. I will just restream it to your personal account, and I'm pretty sure that you will be happy with the result. Okay, let's move forward to another guys to see exactly how they are working. No, I'm immediately telling you, no, listen, he's trading from 2021, but what kind of wait, profit months. And I forget to do one very important point. We have annual profit. So we have a monthly profit and we have an annual profit. So this is the mistake. So listen, guys, with the annual profit, I really like the guys that generating at least like 30% or 40% yearly. So why, like with this person we are checking right now, you see, so his annual profit just 14%. This is not something what I'm looking for. So this is like the problem. So for example, I'll put one more filtration because I was thinking like, how come this signal was like still in my research, because I don't put these kind of things in the proper way, like filters. This guy is 5%. Let me check him. Let me check how it's working. The same, you see. So it's look like it's bad, by the way, because he's also using averaging. He's just having like a bigger account, so he has like account of initial deposit $10,000. His overall profit is just 20%, 17%, and you know, this is not what I'm personally looking for. So listen, this guy, he's trading in plus, 100% months in plus. He's trading from 2023, but his total net profit is just 17%. Imagine 17% after 3 years. This is like something weird, you know. I can find like lots of the many options how to invest my own money and generating this kind of profit. Okay, let's do like that. Let me change something. I'm expecting from the person at least to generate for me like 3% monthly. If we'll take like 3% monthly, it's 36% year. Let's put like 30%. So I want like average yearly profit. No, annual profit. You see, average annual profit supposed to be at least higher than, let's put like 40, you know. So if we'll put 40, we'll be able to see, this is it. And right now we don't have a lot of the signals. So we have just few signals left. Let's us check all of them. So we don't have a lot of the time, but we have 8 signals to check, and let us check all of them. Okay. This guy, a Breakthrough Pro V2, balance $2,000. By the way, trading not bad. So from the first point of view, that what I checked right now, trading is not bad. Drawdown trades per week 13. Let's check for the trading history. He's playing a bit with the volume. Trading at night, not bad, not bad. And trading on the ICC market. So this is like a trustable Forex broker. And he has one signal also in plus. By the way, this guy, it's not bad. Let me check the way how he's trading. Let me close this windows. No, it's not like this. Okay. Так. He has already 9 subscribers and 11,000. Let us check. So he's trading just 2 instruments. Close. What kind of volume he's putting? You see, so he's not averaging, he's putting the stop loss. So I can see like sell, he opens, sell, close by the stop loss, sells, close also by the small minus, unlucky sell, buy by stop loss. Right now I can see just stop loss. But you see, but he has the good ratio. What is the percentage of the profit rate? 54%. Okay, let's check the statistic. Average trade per week 13. I wanted to see. It's nice by the way, very nice. So average profit $18, average loss 13. The worst rate was minus $78, but best rate was 235. He's trading with the bots or the manually? He's trading with the bot. You see, like 92%. By the way, this guy is good. This is what I can tell you. You see, so beautiful sell. He's closing positions by the stop loss also. So I can see exactly has a lot of stop losses, but when the profits is really nice. You see, this one buy, it's beautiful. By the way, this guy, look at this beautiful buy. Okay, there was the stop loss, but then he took a buy. And like really nice movement. Okay guys, so this signal, and right now he's on the 65th place, but this signal I can really recommend for subscription. You know, why not? He's trading, listen, he's trading with bot. He's trading, just price is $30. He's streaming already for 1 year. You know, 9 trades per week, draw down just 8%, not different. So he's closing, no averaging, like nothing. Profit months 100%, you know, and average, like for right now, average yearly profits 55%. Not bad. So you see that this is the first guy that we found. This guy, let me check. Okay, this Andorra trading pack, I know this guy, I was subscribed to him. I have also mixed kind of opinion about this guy. See, he's holding right now gold in minus $139. So this guy has the bigger balance, $5,000. He's trading lots of the different instruments, but his biggest push, what he's doing, he's pushing the gold. So if you can see exactly, you see distribution of the profit, gold has the biggest impact. So what's happening here? So, you know, so why, how I'm streaming it, I don't like when the guy has, like, we can see huge diversification, trading a lot of the instrument, everything is fine, but still in the end, he's pushing just gold. So I'm like dividing his trading volume, because what happened, you know, he's like, sometimes closing minus, sometimes huge pluses, and he's, by the way, 1 year was 70% in plus. One that like 2024 he closed like 133% in plus, which is really nice. This month he's in minus. Why he's in minus? Because he's closed one time gold. Look, it's $465 in minus. So, you know, and gold to trade with 0.14, it's like a bit risky. So I'm copying all the signals, all the instruments another at the same way. But gold, I'm trying to divide, you know, so that's why I was telling you that subscription through the MQL5, it's not so easy. That's why I was telling you that it's way better to do all this like signal streaming through me. So and this is his second signal, by the way. Why I like this guy, you know, why I like, look, he has 5 signals and all of them working in the plus, you know, so I can trust to this guy because he already proved his own results on the 5 accounts. He's generating plus, and every account has, like, you know, the smallest accounts 1.7k, 1.4k, and 5,000, 7,000, you know, which is not bad. So I can say exactly, you see, subscribers 1, and by the way, so this is me. Look, profile, and if I'm going to the signals, my subscription, you see, so this Andorra Trading Pack 1D. So this is the guy that I'm subscribed to. All of them, 3 of them. Okay, so MSG Gold, I was already telling you about him. You see, I'm also subscribed to him. Like, listen, he's not bad. He's not bad. What I really don't like about this signal, this is he's trading with 001. You know, with 001, and he's targeting very small profits. His account is very small, so it will be more difficult to generate a profit with him. But he's making profit. This is the point. So listen, even if he closed this minus, he's not like a classical averaging or the martingale, because he's not holding positions to the point when the account will stop immediately, you know. So if you'll ask me my own opinion, he's average, but I'm subscribed to him, you know. So as you can see here, you see, I'm subscribed. Let me show you one more time. Signals, my subscription. So I'm using him also, you know. And the second one, I need to search to see exactly what he's showing. You ask like daily gold sniper signal. Let us check this guy. But I'm highly recommending you right now, who's mentioned in the chat, to check this guy. This guy, I found him just right now. I never seen him before. This Breakthrough V2. He's really like make me interest in his results. You know that he's trading nicely, low drawdown, making profit. You know, it's not bad. I will try to test him this month, 100%. Okay, and let me check the signal what you ask for. Daily gold sniper signal, because I didn't find him in my daily gold sniper. Let us see what kind of sniper making profit. Signals, so we have this one, if I'm not wrong. Again, listen, I cannot recommend this signal. I'll just explain it to you. His balance just $300 and overall profit is minus right now, in nice minus. Let me search it, daily gold sniper. I think it will be way better if I'll open it here direct on the website. Daily gold sniper. I'll show you exactly how I'm checking signals. Oh, 22% in minus already this month, yeah? And what he was doing for the gold, where is this minus? Balance, withdrawals. I think I will not be able to see like this kind of minus because I didn't subscribe to this guy. I think he's using averaging. Let's do like this. Let me show you how he's trading. So visualize on the chart. She's trading by using the gold. Okay, let me go to the lower time frame, as there I will be able to see all the trades, but I'm pretty sure that they have an averaging. Because this is the short trades, I want to see the situation when the price will not go into her direction. Is this bot? Yeah, it's 95%, so this is the trading bot. But I think the percentage of the profit trades is really high, correct? Let me check it. a 96%. Wow, which is not bad. And what about, yeah, you see, so there is the differences. I want to see exactly, at least to see, you see, I cannot find it here. What will be when the price is not moving in her direction? In this particular trades, I cannot see, you know, but this is what happened with 22% of the drawdown, but she's making profit. I need to see this particular example, like what happened when she got this big minus. Because as I understand, she's using some kind of averaging, but it's not 100% clear, you know? So this signal, it's not so bad, but listen, come on, in one trade to lose 23%, it's like a lot, but still there is like a small deposit. So for it depends on the deposit, you know? So if you have a higher deposit, you can easily start using him. But I have never seen this guy because I'm trying not to pay attention to the super small. Why I didn't pay attention on this like signal? Because super small account. This is number one, and you see like trades per week is just 5. So this is not something what I like. I like signals when they are giving like more drive. So for example, if we're talking about, I'm paying for what? I'm paying for the signal. So this guy, at least he's making 13. For the guys like this one, 21, you know? So between these two signals, I can tell you exactly that I prefer that one. Also balance, it's a little bit higher. Maybe profit is a little bit lower, but this guy, he's controlling his risk like a way better in comparison with the previous one. So that's why I choose like between these two, I can see like this one is better. Okay, let's move forward to another signal. What is our another? So this is Andorra. I like this guy. Not maybe like my favorite, but I think can mark him as I'm subscribed to him that he's not bad. And this is, I think, this is his another signal, yeah? Let us check. Yes, this is his another signal, and he's holding right now position in minus, but there is bigger deposit. Yeah, gold. This is the same. So it's almost the same trading, so there is no point to be subscribed for the two signals, as we are losing some part of the diversification. Okay, let's guys check at least 5 signals more to see what kind of results we can get. Renato Takahashi, 10%, last 2 years just 10%. This is I don't like. And he's trading the indexes. They are local indexes. Done, he's not suitable for us. Then Saturn 3. Okay. 100% this month. You see, it's interesting. 25%, 33%, balance 2,700, but maximum drawdown was 42%. What kind of trading is it? Wow, some interesting percentages. I mean, like these colors, I'm just filtrating for myself. So for example, green, it means I will choose the signal for subscription. Yellow, I still like thinking about them. Red, that I don't like them, I will not choose them. So this is just like a style how I'm filtrating signals for myself. This guy, it's not bad, but he's trading some interesting signals, you see? I don't know if a lot of the brokers have that. So this is the gold, but to the euro. Let us check this guy, Saturn. How this trades is look like. Okay, signals. Yeah, we have this one. You see, he's balanced $2,000 and he's already make a profit. What is the starting cost deposit? Initial deposit is not 100% correct. It depends in what kind of amount has right now, but still he make like a good profit. Let us check, visualize on the chart. I want to see exactly his style of the trading. And I want to see the distribution. For example, if we're going to statistic, This is, yeah, you see the most popular instrument, and he's generating profit mostly from two instruments. This is the gold and this is the dollar yen. Let us see exactly how he's trading with this kind of instrument. He's trading a lot, yeah. Yeah, so the paper stone, you know why I like the paper stone? I like mostly what I'm doing. I'm testing signals on the paper stone, on the star trader, as I mentioned in my latest video. I'm using it for my personal trading because they are giving like a quick deposit and withdraw. But why I like the paper stone, they have everything. They have every kind of signal. You see, so gold. This is the silver, this is the gold to the euro. I want to see this one. I'm interested in this instruments to see exactly how this guy is trading. Short trade. I want to see a few more options. You see, buy this long one. Let us go to M15. He's not very active, yes? How many trades per week? Again, just 6 trades. It's not enough. This is what I don't like. Sell. Okay. But you know, like a good diversification. So this is what I can mention. The diversification is general and good, but I don't like that there is no trades almost. Because listen, if you are paying for the signals, you want to see at least some kind of activity. When there is no activity, for what you are paying money. So you just praying when he will open an account, like position, and when you have lots of the trading instruments and the ability to trade. Look, there is no like signals. It's very difficult to judge this guy because he's not trading. Let me see exactly. You see? So for example, this week we started from 14 and he made just 4 trades. Euro yen, this one stop loss and 3 in minuses. Like I cannot tell you that I like this guy because he's not trading. But he's making profit, so this is it. But you see, like a two months in a row, and sometimes it was the situation when he was 3 months almost without any kind of profit. So this guy, no. Okay. This guy, ultimate gold scalper. Let us check how this guy look like. So this is the same. So this is from the same signal provider that I really like him. I mentioned him that he's trading good. Here he's just trading gold, nothing more. But here he's playing like aggressively, see? So he's multiplying, and that's why he made this all minus. No, the previous signal is nice. It's not bad. Okay, he's still there in plus. But this kind of account I didn't like. This kind of trading I didn't like. Oh, right now we have something interesting. So we have the signal that based on MQL5 rating on the first place. I remember I was reviewing this guy already and I didn't like him. But let me check one more time. So what I didn't like, of course I didn't like because he was holding positions without closing them. In 2025 he's just minus 5%. So after 7 months he's still in minus. Why they put him on the first place? I don't understand. And I'm pretty sure Australia and New Zealand he's multiplying because there was 0.13. Let me check how it's trading. Maximum drawdown 19%. He has 16 subscribers. Okay, let's go to see exactly how he's trading. This is my favorite part, you know, because lots of the people this is not something bad because lots of the people they searching for the signals, you know, but I don't know how to trade. So my point, you know, and my logic is to help in that case from the trading perspective. So I can do adding some value for you. I can open the signal and to see exactly how he's trading, you know, so what kind of results he was performing and his style exactly. But let me close this part. Okay. And visualize on the chart. Okay, so what I want to see this his active Australian Canadian and Australian New Zealand. Okay, let's go to Australian New Zealand, and ta-da! It's already visible from the beginning. Look how he's doing averaging. Crazy. Let me just put the, you see, sell several times, and here also sell. But this one, it's very light situation. I think we will be able to find something more interesting if we are going back. Oh, this one is nice sell. I need to admire that this sell is beautiful. Just, like, listen, averaging in general, this is not something bad. But what is the problem with the averaging? That we don't know exactly, when we're subscribing to the signals, we don't know the realistic maximum drawdown. And when the averaging, for example, with no multipliers, this is okay, this is manageable. But when, for example, he's starting multiplying stuff, like for example here, so let me check, it was 0.5 and then he opened two positions, 0.13, imagine. So this is it, and it's our luck that the price, it was the weekend, look, and there was the gap, so he closed this position. Imagine if the gap will be in the opposite direction, and he opened already 0.13. Let me just click, for example, M15. I want to see the same particular example, what he was doing here. You see, look, he's open two times. So he was open 4 sales, 0.05, 0.1 total like volume, 0.13, and the second one 0.13. Imagine like he didn't close it, but he had a chance to close in the better profit. But this is I don't like. But he has the strategy, so it's like a very clear that he has the strategy. Let us check dollar Canadian. Again, the same stuff. You see, sell. He opened, what's the volume? 0.03, and then he was trying to average with the same position. Oh my god. And yeah, this was the serious averaging. Look how long the price was going not into his direction, and how many times he was trying to average this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So he started opening position with 0.02 just, and then he was trading with volume 0.04, 0.02. So he was using some kind of the averaging, but like slight. Look at here also is the same. Look, you see, so this kind of style of trading, it will not give you chance to make money consistently for a long period of time, because I'm pretty sure that one time market will hit you so hard, that you will be sure, oh my goodness, check its buy. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times he was trying to average his position. Oh my goodness. And he started from 0.05, and then in the end it was several times with 0.05 and 0.1. Imagine if there will be no this correction, so how it's like finishing. I'm highly recommend you, first of all, I'm highly recommend you to check the video on my channel about the martingale and the averaging, why I'm not recommending it to use for the personal trading. And by the way, based on that, I will make like one separate video. But this is a particular example. He was just lucky enough that the price came back. But imagine if there will be some changes in the policy of the country and price start going down more. This is it. Halas. Deposit is done, So yeah, so this is 100% no. And let's check another signal for today. That also in our top. BTC follows the trend. I think. Oh, so this guy, it's like unique, it's very unique. For the MQL5 especially, it's very unique, this kind of style. But we have a problem with this guy. Problem, the biggest one, profit trade just 34%. 7 trades per week, balance 20k. And the Bitcoin, you know, this is not something bad to trade the Bitcoin. Average holding time, it's 2 days, but lots of the Forex brokers, they are putting really high swaps on the Bitcoin, you know, so that's why I don't know if this is the best idea to trade like a Bitcoin and the crypto in the short-term operation, please. But someone who's copying him, I think he don't have subscribers for right now. You need to be very stable, because look, before these 4 profit trades, he has so many deals in minus. Let's check his old statistic. So yeah, his best trade $790, and this was, I think, like recently. Yes, before that he was trading all of them in minus. Worst trade minus 240, average loss 38, average profit 125, which is not bad, but just the problem that he's trading just the Bitcoin. This is number 1, and number 2, this is the, we have a spreads and profit rate is not bad, is like very bad. So guys, for today, you know, of course I can start checking more signals, but for today I don't have a time. Like for example, we can go more into the like I choose the recovery factor here, more than 3. I can do this more. For example, I'm going to recovery factor, and I will put not greater than 2. I will put, yeah, like for example, greater than 2. Clear filter, greater than 2. You see, so we have still few more signals that we can check. But don't forget to subscribe for my channel, because I think I will make a post in the community about what kind of signals I'm recommending you. But as for right now, I can still recommend you these few signals. This is like, let us check. Let me just repeat all of them. So the number 1, it's no pain. Still he's trading in plus, and I'm subscribed to him. Consistent, conservative, but he's making profit. This is what we need to tell you about. This guy, okay, he's right now, he's closing this month in minus, but he's still in plus, and he's doing like a good job from my personal opinion. Not like the best of the best, but doing good. This guy also, it's not bad, but you need to be very carefully, especially when you are copying him for the gold. So you need to like properly think, and the better way, like I can help you to copy this guy, because he's trading good. Listen, if you will go for his profile and you will check, he has 5 signals, all of them working in plus, so it means he knows something, you know. And the last one, what I recommend, this is the new signal that I saw him just right now. And by the way, he's impressed me with this result, and with his trading strategy. So I will 100% add this guy to my portfolio. So this is 4 signals I can recommend you right now for the MetaTrader 5. Write please the positive comment to this video, and let me know if you are interested that I will make a video the same kind of style, reviewing signals for MetaTrader 4, because every month we are doing MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. This is it guys for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share with all your friends that also interest in the MQL5 website. Let me know what kind of topics, and like tell me exactly how this kind of interaction with you look like, you know, and if you feel that it's good and you have like more topics that you want to hear from your side, just leave a comment, and I will try to do my best to make more streams in this kind of way. Thank you very much guys for right now, and see you in our next videos.